how to buy Animecoin on MetaMask. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on CoinEx. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Open your MetaMask for that. And now, first of all, what you need to do, select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this three dots and click on this import token. Click on custom token and paste the token address here. So because I have added before, I will just go and find the token, as you can see, and I will show you from the start how to add this token to your wallet. Now after that, first you select the Ethereum as a network, click on these three dots, click on import tokens, custom tokens, and paste the token address here. As you can see, this auto token, click on next. Now click on import. So after that, as you can see, select the token from here, click on it. Now click on swap. So switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, Ethereum, but make sure you have enough Ethereum on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive with the token. After that, click on swap here, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Anim token or Animecoin token on MetaMask. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.